This is the AI News Flash for August 5th, 9 p.m. UTC. First up, Meta has released the beta of Muse Code, its first AI coding agent, announced by CEO Mark Zuckerberg in a social media post, as the company steps up its race with OpenAI and Anthropic. Muse Code is a terminal agent for macOS and Linux that installs with a single command. It takes on complete software engineering tasks, planning changes, writing code, and validating the results. And it can coordinate multiple persistent subagents per task to work across large repositories with less human intervention. Alongside the agent, Meta shipped Muse Spark 1.2, a new version of its flagship model that was co-trained with Muse Code for tighter integration. Pay-as-you-go pricing is $1.25 per million input tokens and $4.25 per million output tokens, with a contributor tier that is more than 10 times cheaper. With Claude Code and Codex already established, Meta is entering the AI coding market on aggressive pricing and a massive user base. Next, Sandisk reported fiscal fourth quarter revenue of $8.965 billion, up 372% year over year, powered by AI data storage demand. The result beat both the company's own guidance of $7.75 to $8.25 billion and analyst estimates of around $8.7 billion. Enterprise SSDs for data centers drove the growth, and the company confirmed the start of volume production for its QLC Stargate product. Sandisk signed 5 new business model agreements in the quarter, 3 of them with new customers. The board also approved an additional $14 billion share buyback, bringing total remaining authorization to $15.5 billion. The company hosts its Investor Day on August 13th, where it is expected to detail its AI storage strategy and product pipeline. The results underscore the strength of the AI memory and storage cycle. A third voice AI company, SoundHound AI, posted record second quarter revenue of $61.9 million, up 45% year over year, and raised its full-year outlook. The company now expects full-year revenue of $230 to $260 million. GAAP net loss was $42.8 million, while non-GAAP net loss narrowed to $9 million and adjusted EBITDA loss improved to $9.6 million. SoundHound highlighted broad enterprise adoption of its Oasis agentic AI platform, signing multiple 7-figure deals in healthcare and automotive, plus an initial 8-figure multi-year channel partnership in Latin America. The company plans a further guidance update once its LivePerson acquisition closes, another sign that voice and agentic AI monetization is gaining traction. Fourth, the Senate Judiciary Subcommittee on Crime and Counterterrorism held a hearing on AI-driven surveillance pricing titled Your Data, Their Profit. Chairing the hearing, Republican Senator Josh Hawley said companies use shopping history, location, online activity, and even family details to estimate the maximum price each consumer will pay. And he called out Staples, Target, Lyft, and Amazon by name. Evidence presented included data showing Lyft charged 55 riders in Missouri 29 different prices for the same route at the same time, and a JetBlue customer whose fare jumped $230 in a single day while booking travel for a funeral. Democratic Senator Dick Durbin echoed the concerns, making surveillance pricing a rare point of bipartisan agreement and adding momentum to regulation of AI price discrimination. Fifth, Interpol's African Cyber Threat Assessment Report 2026 finds that artificial intelligence is now involved in 55% of reported cybercrimes across Africa. The report draws on survey data from 36 African member countries and shows cybercrime losses across the continent more than doubled, from $192 million in 2024 to $484 million. Regionally, East Africa emerged as a hub of mobile money fraud and infrastructure-targeted ransomware, while business email compromise and romance scams were prolific in Central and West Africa. Interpol warns that cybercrime has evolved from isolated incidents into an industrialized, borderless ecosystem, with AI making attacks faster, more scalable, and harder to detect. That's all for this AI News Flash.